Hi, I'm Michael Baragwanath. I'm the CEO of BOW.
Hi, I'm Samuel Morris. I'm the COO of BOW. We're here to answer some of the frequently asked questions about BOW.
BOW is an insurance company that's being established to improve the access and reach of life insurance around the world. My history is in financial services. I'm a financial services licensee here in Australia and have worked with insurance companies over the last 10 years. I actively work with real clients every day, and this technology is really about making it easier for people to acquire life insurance, to make sure it's the right amount of cover at the right time, and to improve access to new markets.
BOW stands for Blockchain Assurance Offering. It's really the core of our value proposition, using blockchain technology to bring more assurance to the insurance industry. Coincidentally, with the right pronunciation, BOW also means treasure in Chinese.
At its heart, our offer is designed to use blockchain to track policy ownership and to ensure that we're offering the right cover at the right time. Blockchain is perfect for insurance in the fact that it allows us to securely transact between different parties, but also to track exactly who owns a policy at any given time. Policy security and transparency is paramount in certain industries where there's a lack of trust in institutions around the world, and that's fundamentally what we're trying to build. So why BOW versus other ICOs? The easiest way to put it is I feel there are three separate markets in the ICO realm. The first being very speculative concepts that may take years to progress into real technology. The second being a form of currency, a method to move money and transfer wealth. And the third, and BOW's position, which is delivering real-world business solutions with blockchain technology. So BOW's different in the fact that what we're looking to do is deliver a real product to market as quickly as possible, leveraging existing technology, and then to streamline that product's delivery over time by building in the technology with the support of our investors and our token holders. For token holders, BOW's very different in the fact that it's linked to a real revenue generating business, and the income is basically provided based on the work that token holders contribute to the network.
What also sets us apart is that we've worked really hard to bring a team together that covers across the full spectrum of the business. So we have a strong technological team, we have a strong business team, and we have a strong industry expertise team. We're of course developing that as we speak, but I really think the team we've pulled together is ready to deliver on a very ambitious program.
So how can blockchain benefit insurance? It's a good question and something that the world's biggest insurance companies are looking at right now. One of the big benefits of blockchain is the fact that the transactions are verified and trusted by other parties, which means that it's completely open and transparent. There's a worldwide low in the trust in institutions, and blockchain provides a level of transparency and clarity to a transaction that isn't currently available when you work with normal insurance. One of the other big advantages is we can use things like smart contracts to trigger automatic outcomes for clients so that people know that if a certain criteria is met, a benefit is paid.
Additionally, what we're trying to do is bring blockchain to the core of our business and build our business around it. The current insurance industry has hundreds of years of history and the incumbents are very large. They can use blockchain technologies as a bolt-on to their business and perhaps save a few dollars when they're issuing their policies and their products to customers. What we can do is build a very agile, very tech-driven business that can deliver policies to more people more efficiently and at a better rate.
So there are a lot of working parts to delivering a really comprehensive insurance policy, but they come down to three core pieces of technology. The first part is the application process and how we make that seamless and easy for consumers to make offers and to accept offers to buy insurance. The second part is how we make it really easy and seamless to modify a policy and perhaps to even do that autonomously where we can. So if we receive data sources that highlight that someone's changed their policy, the technology we're building allows that to happen autonomously for a client. The last part, and perhaps the most important, is how we make claims autonomous and simple. So what we'd like is to scalp, scrape and collect other data sources, working with government sources as well, to deliver a seamless claims experience for families. We'd like to get to the point where a policy claim is paid as the event happens, rather than having to go through a convoluted claims process that undermines confidence in the industry.
BOW will be delivering dynamically adjusted premiums through the collection of information. The more data sources you provide us, the more information we can glean and the more personalised your policy can be. The more personalised your policy can be, the cheaper it is.
So why this is important is because most clients are either underinsured and rarely are they overinsured. But as circumstances change all the time, at the moment there's really no way for an insurer to make a change or offer a different level of cover to you. By working in with data sources you provide us, we can dynamically adjust that premium to make sure you're always paying the right amount and you have the right amount of cover at the right time. Now, clients that seek regular financial advice do have access to this, but it's just not feasible to provide that, and we need to look at ways to automate that sort of solution. And that's really been a big part of our technology development. So how are tokens actually used in the network? And this is something that's referred to in the white paper and explained in a bit of detail. In a nutshell, what you're purchasing is the right to provide us with computing power and for us to pay you for that computing power. So what the ledger will store is policyholders, it'll issue contracts and determine the right level of cover for people and also determine whether a claim is payable. So that's essentially what your token does. It's forming the heart of the actual contract that's being provided to consumers, and it's stored across all of the people that own and use the BOW token.
BOWcoin owners can benefit in a lot of different ways. Primarily, BOWcoin owners will have the right to opt in to provide computing power to the network, and this is a paid service. On top of that, BOWcoin owners can receive discounts on premiums, and there is a secondary market to trade the BOWcoins, so they can be used as a store of wealth.
So how do token holders benefit? The first part is that by providing computing power, they actually are directly paid and enter into a contract to receive payment for services delivered. That's the primary use of the token. Other factors that we build in are the fact that token holders will receive a discount to insurance products in their market. And the last thing is tokens are traded on a secondary market, which means that they effectively become a store of wealth. The size of the project we're undertaking here can't be understated. This is a huge and ambitious project. We'll end up with us being one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the market. If you look at what we're trying to achieve here, running your own insurance company involves a statutory fund, which could be in the billions of dollars. So to ensure that you're able to pay your own claims rather than relying on a reinsurer is one of the ways that we can really bring the cost of insurance down and deliver massive efficiencies. Taking that task on is a huge and ambitious journey. We can deliver projects along the way, but that's our end of goal. Okay, is to deliver a really comprehensive, succinct solution to market that is lower cost and helps more people.
So what to do now? Well, the best approach is to go to our website, read our white paper so you get a very strong understanding of what we're going to do here at BOW. Follow the instructions on the website, provide your ID, and you can purchase your BOWcoins.
From there, you'll receive a Refer a Friend code, which you can use to spread to friends and family. We'd also love you to join us on social media, get involved, jump on Telegram and other methods to communicate with us, tell us what you think, provide us with feedback and be along the journey as we build out the technology.
So please get involved, jump on social media, visit our website, purchase the BOWcoins. We'd really love to have you along the journey.